After a meeting, users can access the Recap tab in Teams for AI-generated notes, tasks, and key discussion points. This feature saves time by summarizing meetings, allowing quick reviews for those who missed discussions. Mesh provides immersive virtual spaces for collaboration, enhancing engagement in workshops and brainstorming sessions. The immersive nature of Mesh creates a more interactive environment compared to traditional video calls. Proximity Join allows seamless entry into meetings by detecting ultrasonic signals from Teams Room hardware. This feature reduces setup time, simplifying the process of joining shared meeting rooms. In group chats with external users, hosts can install apps for task management and file sharing. This boosts productivity by extending Teams functionality for collaboration with external partners. Teams can automatically reserve desks based on connected peripherals, simplifying workspace booking. This improves workspace management efficiency, ensuring employees have designated workspaces. Dynamic video tile resizing adjusts the video layout based on the number of in-room participants. This optimizes visibility for both in-room and remote attendees, enhancing the meeting experience. During meetings, interpreters can toggle between languages for efficient live translations. This increases accessibility for global audiences by simplifying multilingual meetings.